Hi everyone, welcome to the Trading for Beginners. In this random video, I want to show you how you can easily use investing.com, and this is a complete guide for the beginners. So without any further ado, let's get started. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and let's dive into our default web browser. For now, I'm using Google Chrome, you can use it too. In the above search bar, you just have to type in investing.com. This will lead you to the official page of investing.com, and here you can find the various of options available, guys. If you want to log into the account, you can find out on the right section. Here I am already logged in, that's why I don't have to log into the account. Investing.com is all about learning, researching, and everything you need to do. Here you can find out the market option, you can set up your my watch list, you can get the financial news also on the investing.com. You can analyze the market overview, currencies, stock market, and here is the charts option. And this is the website which is easy to use for the beginners too. You can research the markets, you can check out the stocks, and you can just start trading and obviously earn money. That's it for today, guys. Hopefully this video helped you to use investing.com as a beginner. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. Get the more contents on investing and trading, you can just subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all so you never miss any update. Feedbacks and queries can be dropped in the comment section. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.